Join me as I take on the challenge to make money online in just 30 days using this plan. Making money online sounds like a dream come true, doesn't it? Well, what if I told you it's possible and it's not as complicated as you think? With this 30-day plan, you'll be on your way to making money online in no time, regardless of your skill level or experience. When it comes to making money online, we've all been there, feeling overwhelmed by the endless possibilities and opportunities. Information overload is a real thing, and it's easy to get stuck in analysis paralysis. You might find yourself wondering which platform to use, what niche to choose, or how to even get started. Or maybe you've tried making money online before, but you didn't see the results you wanted, so you gave up. The truth is, making money online takes time, effort, and a clear plan. Without one, it's easy to get lost in the noise. Lack of a clear plan is a major obstacle that holds people back from achieving their online income goals. You might have a general idea of what you want to do, but you don't know how to turn that idea into a concrete plan of action. This is where most people get stuck, and it's exactly what we're going to avoid with this 30-day plan. By the end of these 30 days, you'll have a solid understanding of how to make money online and a clear roadmap to get you there. Another challenge people face is the fear of failure. You might be worried that you're not tech-savvy enough, or that you don't have the right skills to make it happen. But the truth is, you don't need to be an expert to get started. You just need to be willing to learn and take action. With this 30-day plan, you'll be tackling specific tasks and strategies each week. In week 1, we'll focus on setting up your online foundation, including choosing a niche and setting up your website. Week 2 is all about creating valuable content and building your audience. In week 3, we'll dive into monetization strategies, and by week 4, you'll be scaling your online income and setting yourself up for long-term success. Let me walk you through exactly what you'll be doing each week. In week 1, you'll start by identifying your target audience and choosing a profitable niche. Then, you'll set up your website and create a lead magnet to start capturing email addresses. System.io will give you a free website that has an autoresponder and all the things you need to begin. You'll also learn how to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. By the end of week 1, you'll have a solid foundation in place, and you'll be ready to move on to the next step. In week 2, you'll focus on creating more content and building your audience. You can start by using Hazing Flipbook as a free gift to start to build an email list. By giving away an interactive flipbook that you can embed your offers and your YouTube videos if you have them, you'll start creating videos, writing blog posts, and engaging with your audience on social media. By the end of week 2, you'll have a consistent flow of content, and you'll be starting to build a loyal following. In week 3, it's all about monetization. You'll learn about different monetization strategies, including affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and digital products. You'll use System.io to create a free landing page and start selling your affiliate products or services. By the end of week 3, you'll have a clear understanding of how to turn your online presence into a profitable business. In week 4, we'll focus on scaling your online income and setting yourself up for long-term success. You'll learn how to optimize your website for conversions, increase your email open rates, and create a loyal community of fans who will support you every step of the way. By the end of week 4, you'll be making money online, and you'll have a clear plan in place to continue growing your online income. If you're getting any helpful tips from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It is another way of making money online, YouTube monetization, and it can be a good sum of money if we have the right niche and promote the right products. Another tip, if you're starting a YouTube channel, it is a great idea to use VidiQ or maybe TubeMagic to help find your way in setting up your channel correctly and find viral videos you can use to go viral yourself. And for a good text-to-video platform, you can try Pictory or InVideo. Both are good, and the learning curve is not too hard. I have a few free tools in the description of all the ones I mentioned in this video. I know they can help. The key is to be consistent and always give useful advice. To recap, the 30-day plan is broken down into 4 weeks, each with its own set of tasks and strategies. You'll start by setting up your online foundation, creating valuable content, and building your audience. Then you'll move on to monetization strategies, and finally scaling your online income. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you're as excited as I am to start making money online. If you have any questions or you'd like to share your progress, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to tune in next time, when I'll be sharing advanced online money-making strategies to help you take your income to the next level.